Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on which part of the world you're watching me from. It's Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video I want to show you how to create a fully functional e-commerce website using a free website builder. Now if today is the very first time of you watching, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, that anytime I drop an amazing content like this one, you'll be the very first to know. Without further ado, let's get started right now. So guys, head over to Wix and the URL is wix.com. This is actually the landing page. You can create any kinds of website without limit, be they online stores, restaurant websites, portfolio websites, any kind of website, blogs, and all there is about website. You can actually create with this amazing platform. Now you click on get started if you don't have an account, but if you already have an account, you click on login. You can actually do that here. So I will just click get started. This is the sign up page. On the left side you can input your detail to sign up. That's your email and password, or if you have a Gmail you can connect, or Facebook. So I want to use my Gmail real quick to do this. So once logged in, this is your dashboard. All the sites you create will appear here. So you can decide to create a folder or create new site, but I'm creating a new site. So you click on create new site. Once it takes you to this particular place, you can decide to skip or select the kind of website you want to create. Could be online store, portfolio blog, just select accordingly. But once done, once you select it, you click on next, but I don't want to select anything, so I'll just skip. I'll show you how it's done. So in this case, you'll be asked to input your website name. What do you want to call it? So I'm quickly putting in fashion trend store. Once done, just click on next, and then it takes you here. These are some of the functionalities of the sites that you might want to include. You want to include chat, online stores, bookings, events, and any other functionality that you want to add. I'll quickly select the ones that apply and select next. So this is actually where you get to your dashboard. You can decide to begin with a template or build it from scratch. So I will start with the template because of course it is easier and quicker to do it. So these are the templates that are on file. All these beautiful looking templates are free, and they are highly customizable, and they are in categories. You can see business and services, all manner of subcategories under that: wellness and health, beauty and hair, travel, all manner of things. And if you go to the stores, you can see online stores and every other stores, every other subcategories that fall under this store. So I'll just select fashion and clothing, and then these are the templates that are available for me to build from. All of them, I can tell you, they are beautiful and highly customizable, so you can tweak it the way you want. So let's start from the first one. So when you hover on any of the templates, you can view like so to see how it will look once you're done. This is actually how it looks. For me, once you have this already, the customization is as simple as ABC, which is what we are going to do in a jiffy. So you can see how the store will look like once you are done creating it. So if you check out the links, the navigation, all the pages are in place. The new arrivals right here, you can see all the products are there with their pricing, and they are properly arranged like so. Now if you switch it to another page for the women, it takes you to this section where you have only women fashion items displayed right there. The same thing with the men. So these things are separated, very well organized, sleek design, simple and clean as it is. And even the links at the footer are also right there for easy navigation. So you can actually look at it how it will be on mobile by toggling to the mobile. You can see, so this particular template is optimized for mobile viewings on your phone and your tablet. They are all well optimized. So let's get to edit it by clicking edit this site. So in a jiffy, the editor will get loaded. Here you can actually write content for your site manually, or just provide a small info and let AI generate all the content that you need on your site. That's amazing and quick too. So I'll quickly input something right here. Once done, ensure that the type of site is set accordingly and the name of the site is correct. So you just click create site like that, and then you are ready to work on it. Okay, so once here, this is how it will look on the surface. I tell you what, all the elements on this website are highly customizable. So the left hand side, you use all these buttons to customize. The first one, you can add element, all manner of elements, from your text to your image to button, all manner of elements you can use this particular button to add. And then the next button is used to add sections to your website, all manner of sections. You know, sites are divided in sections, all manner of sections, and they're highly customizable. Let's say I want to put a section right here. Let's say I want to put a contact section right there. So I'll just click on contact and you have the template already made. Select the one you want, drag and drop, and then that will be it. I just drag it across and then drop it the exact position I want it to be. That easy. If you needed to code this, it will take you a bit of time to do this. So, and as it stands, you can highly customize every single aspect of this particular contact us section using these particular tabs right there. So it is highly customizable. That is what makes it very flexible. So the next one is to add pages and menu. The next one is for the site design. You can change the theme, colors and fonts. Then here you can connect all manner of apps. Here you manage your business store from the back end. Here you can add all manner of media, be there photos or videos. Here you can connect CMS. It's highly extendable using this left pane, just like so, as easy as it sounds. Now if you click on each one and any one of the products on here, double click on it, you see manage products. Just click on that manage products, and then in a jiffy it takes you to where all the products are arranged. This is like a list of all the products available, and I tell you what, they are highly customizable. For instance, if I want to, here you have the name, the physical, the type, the code, the price, and of course the inventory. So if I want to edit this one, I'll just click on it. I can change the photo, the image, I can change almost everything. The product info, I can change the name from here. I can add ribbon, maybe new arrivals or out of stock or available, then the description right here, and you can actually customize the text right there. You can actually generate it using AI at the top right there. So these things are highly customizable. Now down there you can actually manage the pricing from here. So easy and straight to the point, so you don't have to waste a whole lot of time. Once done, just click on save. But right now we don't want to save, so we go right back to the page as it is. So you click on new product or add any kind of new product that you want to add. So if you click on more actions, you can export all the content here, import and rearrange all the data from the back end of your store, you know, for offline use. So that is how it is, guys. It's very easy for you to build this from scratch. And then if you want to preview, just click on the site and then click on the preview button. It takes you to where the site is, so you have a feel of how your site will look once completed, and then you can make amends and edit it according to how you'd want it to look. Once done, just click on the publish button at the top right hand corner, and then your site goes live. You can actually upgrade to use custom domain. So guys, this is how it is done on Wix. Thank you for watching today's video, and then see you in the next. Bye for now.